Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Randil Samarasinghe from RANDI RAVEL YouTube channel. In this video, I want to teach you about basic JavaScript codes. JavaScript is very easy programming language. We can program JavaScript in HTML file or JavaScript file. In this video, I am teach you how to program JavaScript in HTML file. You can see I am open sample HTML file. When we code JavaScript, we code it on this our two body tags. I am type script tag. When we input anything, we add on to JavaScript tags. When we add anything, it is the JavaScript. Our first one is how to print anything on our web page. To print anything using JavaScript, we use new tag document dot write like this. Now open brackets, then two double commas, then I am type welcome to RANDI RAVEL website like this. After I am type semicolon, then save. Now I am open this website with live server. Now you can see the welcome to RANDI RAVEL website. It is printed on our web page. Now you can see I am type document dot write, then open brackets, then two double commas, then type after I am type semicolon, then it is print in our web page. Now I want to type hey Randi. To type it like this, hey RANDI RAVEL, then save. It is print in our web page. You think now I want to calculate any number. To calculate any number, we use document dot write like this, then two brackets, then two double commas, then I am type 5 plus 3, then semicolon. I am save. You can see like this, hey RANDI RAVEL, then 5 plus 3, not calculation but it is print. What is the reason? Because we add two double commas. When we remove that, then save, you can see the calculation is 8. You can see this is in one line. You think we want to break it into two lines. To do that, we again type in middle document dot write, open brackets, then double commas, then bracket slash br closing bracket after semicolon, then save. You can see it is in two lines. To break it into two lines, we use this tag. Then our second one is window.alert. We type window, then dot alert, then two brackets, double commas. Now I am type welcome to RANDI RAVEL website. After this I am type semicolon, then save. Now I am refresh the website. You can see like this box, welcome to RANDI RAVEL, then we can press OK. Like this, you can use window.alert Then our third topic is variables. To use these variables, we type var, keep space, then our variable name, I'm type name, then equal, double commas, then run the ravel, like this. Now semicolon, then save. You can see I am create new variable is name run the ravel. Now I am type document dot write. Then I am type name. Then save. But you can see like this print name because we use these double commas. When we remove these double commas, then save, you can see like this run the ravel. This variable is working on our web page. You think I am changed the variable name into Randil, then save, you can see it is like Randil. Our fourth topic is prompt. You think we want to add prompt on our web page, then var variable, then name is equal to prompt, two brackets and double commas, then type what is your name, like this. Now I am save. You can see like this message box on our web page. What is your name? I am type Randil, then enter. Now I am add document dot write. Then I am add without double commas name. After that semicolon, then save. You can see what is your name. It is Randil. Then Randil. Now I am update this. Add two double commas. Then type hey. Keep space. Then add plus. Then save. Now I am type my name. Then enter like this. Hey Randil. Now I am change the name like to Jerry, like this. Then you can see hey Jerry. Our fifth topic is if and else. When we use if and else, we add if, then brackets, then I am type marks is greater than 50, then curly brackets. Now I am type fail, document blah blah blah. Our fifth topic is if and else. I'm type variable is age, no marks, like this. Now I am equal to 88 our marks, then put semicolon. Now I am use this if and else tags. To use, I'm type if, then brackets, our marks is greater than 50, then curly brackets, I am type document dot write to fail. Else we type document dot write to pass. After semicolon, I am save. Now I am refresh the website. Pass. What is the reason? Because our variable marks is equal to 88. 88 is the greater than 50. Then we type document.write is pass. When we change our variable value into 43, then save, you can see like this fail. This is our if and else. We type variable 43, then marks is less than 50, then print fail, else print pass. In this video, I am talk about 5 topics about basic JavaScript codes. I think this video is very interesting and helpful for your programming life. If you like this video, press the like button to my video. If you get my brand new videos quickly, subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell icon and select all options to get my brand new videos quickly to your device. Follow me on your social media also. Okay, let's meet in brand new video in Randil RAVEL YouTube channel.